Alright boys, we're back in fucking Ohio. Shitty court date today.
So,
what's your name? Tell them.
Alex.
Alex?
What's up, guys? I'm Alex. Came here. I didn't know if you had to be like all official, so I dressed all
Hey,
official.
you look good, man.
Yeah,
You look
so
better than Jesse.
I got fucking Ronas for you guys after the trial. So maybe 905 can get some verse cow from the legal clerk. She was just by here, so I think you should go for it, you know?
Jesse William Sebastiani.
Correct.
Okay. And this is case number 2018 CRD 22911. Two first-degree misdemeanor charges of making false alarms here in this case. And first order of business, the court's been presented with permission to video this. Approve that and allow the videotape of just this case today.
Correct.
1 day or two, because it was
15
overnight.
hours. 1 day.
Wasn't it overnight?
Yeah.
So 2 days jail time credit?
Yes, Your Honor. Bradley Koffel, 0062184. Your Honor, I'd just like to put on the record for purposes of future expungement and sealing that there was no harm to persons or property as part of this offense.
You have indicated you are not a U.S. citizen, so I must advise you this charge to which you are pleading guilty may have the consequences of deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States, or denial of naturalization pursuant to the laws of the United States.
Appreciate the city's willingness to, the state's willingness to amend these two counts accordingly. By way of background, what led to all this is Jesse is part of a Canadian-based online brand and media group called Nelk, or Nelk Boys. The court is probably aware of the Nelk Boys. Probably follow them on social media and seen some of their pranks. They're quite humorous, innocent pranks. This one in particular, I found amusing. It was, and the people that they were pulling the prank on were also amused. Someone else was not so amused and called the police. But Jesse here put on a white jumpsuit of some sort, like a painter's jumpsuit, put on really bad fake blood, and then walked into a bookstore and asked one of the employees if there were any books on how to bury bodies and clean up the crime scenes. The video itself shows that it was a pretty obvious prank, but somebody in another aisle apparently thought it was real and called the police. So contextually, I think the minor misdemeanor disorderly makes the most sense. He is a Canadian citizen.
Okay, thanks. I'll have to claim ignorance on your website.
Okay.
Thing to do, but I think I find it a little bit tedious too. It just goes to show that somebody's always offended someone. So, Mr. Sebastiani,
There's a snowflake in aisle 7.
Anything you would like to say? Okay. I'm going to impose a $25 fine.
Present time, sir, please.
Yes. The fine, as well as all court costs, will be suspended for the time you spend in jail overnight.
Thank you, Judge.
Anything else from the city?
No, you're right.
Thank you,
Anything
Judge.
else? Okay, thank you.
That's it boys. 25 $25, that's it?
Suspended, nothing. No fines, no courthouse, no probation.
What was the fine?
25
judge
bucks, suspended.
The judge said it was huge. He said it was fine. Brad dropped snowflake in aisle 7. Snowflake in aisle 7.
Snowflake in aisle 7.
Thank you.
All right, you gotta kill it so I can talk to him.
Yeah. Okay.